Hey guys, look at the goodies we got all the way from America. So let me gist you guys. We have a wedding in the family. So my mother-in-law and my husband's elder sister just flew in from America, and these are all the goodies we got. Can you see them? Yes, these are the goodies we got. So I'm going to be showing you everything. Okay, these are the pair of shoes for my babies. You can see them, right? You can see them. And this one is mine. That's not fine in the bag. This is mine. And my purse to go with it, guys. We also got a wristwatch. Oh, yeah, we got a wristwatch. Okay, let's unbox this wristwatch for my kids. Okay. 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 These it has two colors here. This dark blue and this one is black. It even came with a manual. They said LED watch. Very nice. And to think I got them wristwatches. Oh, I got a pink wristwatch for my daughter and I got a black one for Darren, my first son, but I couldn't get for Sammy because it happened that I couldn't find that type of wristwatch anymore. But luckily they have wristwatch all the way from America. So now Sammy will have his own wristwatch. And this is nice though. Very nice. See, let me own it. Can you see it? These are nice, right? And light though. I even love the strap. It's child friendly. They bought us this candy that you're seeing right here. I don't know what's in here. I haven't looked at it before. So I'm going to be unboxing it now. We are all going to be seeing it for the first time together, okay? So I believe these are the ones given to my daughter. So let's check them out. Oh, wow. This is lovely. I love it. This is a denim gown for my daughter. Nice. Oh wow. This is a chiffon. Yeah, that's what it's called. A chiffon gown. I love the style. This is lovely. I love. Okay. This is a gown as well. Wow. Okay, I love this. Hope you can see it. Hope you can see this. This is so lovely. This denim. Okay. Wow. Can you all see it? Can you see it? This is so nice. Thank you, sis. So these ones are for my boys. So let's check them out. What's this? These are polo. This for my boys. 5 years. Yeah, this for my boy. This is for Darren, 5 years old. That's what they wrote down here. That means it's for my Darren baby. It's for my boy Darren. Wow. Another polo. This is so lovely. 3 polo. Yay! We don't get clothes though. Let's try this one. Let's see who owns this one. Wow, this is a two-piece. The two-piece set though. There's another one in here. Another two-piece set. So let's check this one out first. This is for my Sammy. See now. Oh, this is for Sammy. Yay! Can you see it? This is for Sammy. This is so nice. Wow, I love this thing. Wow. See, crazy jean. I love this. This is another one. This is the top. This is so lovely. Thank you, sis. Let's check this one out. Who's the name of this one? Denim two-piece. Oh, 5 years. They wrote 5 years here. That means it's for Darren. This one is for Darren, not Sammy. Wow. You don't get close though. This is another two-piece. So 4 years. This is for Sammy. Wow. Another two-piece. Okay. How come Sammy is getting all the crazy jeans? I think this is the last one. And another two-piece. So this one is for Darren, obviously. Look at the length. Okay, and this is the top. Oh, this is so lovely. This is so lovely, guys. I wish they can try it on. What do you think? Should they try it on and show you so that you see what they look like? So let's unbox my shoe and my purse. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. I have a very big Lego. I hope this shoe sizes me. La, 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 la. This is lovely. This is so lovely, guys. So lovely. Oh. Okay, this is good, and it will definitely match. It will definitely match my outfit for the wedding, guys. I love. Yes, I definitely love that. Let's unbox the purse. Okay. Okay. Let's have fun. Guys, this is looking so beautiful already. Oh wow. Wow. Okay, guys. Okay, this is it. Okay. I'm going to be rocking the shit out of this purse, guys. Check her out. Good day. I'm even visualizing myself with this purse on the wedding day. I so much love this. Thank you, sis. Wait for my complete outfit on the wedding day. My lips on the wedding day is definitely going to eat, guys. Yeah. So watch out. Fear my return, guys. Fear my return.